cannot write the XPath with attribute because there is no attribute. Do we have any attribute here? Do we have any attribute in this HTML code?
No.
No, there is no attributes. We don't have no attributes only. Then how to write the XPath? For this, there is one more. They have given in Selenium. We have one more type of XPath, guys. XPath, okay, with text function. It is called as exported. Okay. There are two books. One is SQL and one more is Appy. The price of SQL book is 300 and the price of Appy is how much? 100. Now you have to write an XPath in such a way that text function. Yes, I can use. Today it will work. If I use what normal XPath with index. By using index, I can write. Okay, normal relative XPath I can write. /tr of 1 like that I can write it. Okay. Let me inspect. Here how much? This is tr1 and this is tr2. Okay. In tr1 td2. So you can write like this /tr of 1 / td of 2. You can also do like this. Okay, you can also do like this. But here problem is, see, is it highlighting 300? Yes, it is getting highlighted. 300 is getting highlighted. But problem is, tomorrow one more book is added above SQL like manual or Java or Selenium. It is not going to work. So you have to write an XPath in such a way that, okay, tomorrow one more book is added, it should work, and the price is getting changed. Also, it should. How to write? For that we have one technique called, okay, for that we have one technique. Also, it should. How to write? For that we have one technique called, okay, independent dependent XPath. There is one more type of XPath that is called as independent dependent XPath. What do you mean by this? Okay, I will show you. First, I will write the SQL. I will write for this. One second, guys. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. 1 minute, guys. Okay, what do we have? We have TR. Under TR, what do we have? Two TDs. Under TR, we have two TDs. Okay, we have two TDs. Okay.
Sir, V2 is 4th.
This is TD1. Sorry, guys.
Sir, V2 paused, sir.
Huh?
No, it's working for us, I think.
My screen is paused.
No,
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir, we
I'm
can
not
hear.
able to hear you guys.
Sir, it is working, sir, working.
No, okay, fine. Okay, I've just opened a notepad. Okay, this is the path, guys. Okay, this is the HTML tree. This is how it is there. In TD, in first TD, what is there? SQL is there. Okay, in the second TD, what do we have? Price of the book. How much? 300. This is TD1 and this is TD2, guys. Okay, this is 1 and this is 2. This is 1 and this is what 2. Okay, this is TD1 and this is TD2. Okay, this is called as HTML. I have written the HTML tree only for this much. That's it. Only for this one. Only for this one, I have written the okay HTML tree. TR1. In that there are two TDs. One is SQL and one more is what price. Okay. I can also write like this. Okay. See here, instead of writing like this. Okay. Let me write like this. Okay. No, every time I face this issue, my mind will not. Okay, TR and this one is what? TD. This is also TD. Price is there. Okay, what is the price? Is 300. It's 300. Okay, this is 1 and this is 2. This is 1 and this is 2. Okay, I have written the HTML tree in in horizontal way. This one is vertical view, guys. This is called as HTML vertical view. Okay, this one is vertical view, guys. The one which I have written is the vertical view. Okay. Okay, the one, this is vertical view, and what we have written here, this is horizontal view. This is horizontal view. Okay, how to write? Now, tell me the XPath for how to write the XPath for SQL book. Okay, let me write the XPath for SQL book. Okay, /TD. Okay, I can use text function because SQL book, it doesn't change the value. The SQL, the name SQL, the text here is not going to change. Which text is changing? This 300 text is will keep on changing, guys. Okay, here I can write text function. Okay, let me increase the font size. Text function equals SQL. See, if I write like this, let me copy and check it out. Is it working? Yes. But our intention is not SQL. I want the price of SQL. That 300 is what is 300 is what we need. Okay, not SQL. So now the control is here, guys. Okay, now the control is here. Now the control is here. Now the control is here. Now we have written the XPath for this SQL. From SQL, I should move to where? From here, I should move to here, guys. From here, I should move to this TR. Tell me how to move now. From here, I should move there. Tell me how to move.
/.
From here, I should.
/.
Tell me how to move.
#.
Yes, correct. I should move there. From here, I should move to here. Tell me how to move. By using what? By using /. By using what? Slash. Okay, by using /. Now the control is where? Now control came to TR. From TR, I should move to this TD. Tell me how to go. How to go there. Now control came to TR. From TR, I should move to this TD. Tell me how to go. How
Double
to go there.
flash.
From this TR, I should move to this TD. 300 price. Tell me how to go.
Slash TD.
Slash, correct. Tell me. Slash. Slash TD.
Slash TD text
If I do TD,
function.
text I cannot use, guys, because text, if I use text, see here, if I use text function, here in this case, if I use text function, yes, it will work now. It will work now. Okay, it will work now. If I use text function like this, it is going to work now. For as of now, if I change the text, tomorrow, if the application, if the developers change the text, it is not going to work. For that, now I'm going to use text text. If I use TD1, which is TD1, again it will come back to SQL only. But I don't want SQL now. I want
TD2.
this one, TD, the price of the SQL. TD2. So you have to use what TD2. I will repeat this. Very, very important. I will repeat this again. See here, if I same thing, if I write it here, first you have to write the XPath for this SQL. From here, you should move to this TR, means common parent. TR is the parent for SQL also, and TR is the parent for this price 300 also, for this SQL. From here, you should move to this TR, means common parent. TR is the parent for SQL also, and TR is the parent for this price 300 also. From SQL, you should move to common parent. From common parent, you go to the this price required element. This is called as independent dependent technique or XPath. Reason why they were called as, here SQL is independent element. It doesn't depends on anything. Whereas price this 300, it depends on SQL. Let me tell you. Let me once again I will tell you. I will repeat it. First, let me check it out. Slash dot dot. From here, you use slash TD of 2. See, it is working. What is the advantage? If price is getting changed, let me change the price. Okay, let me change the price and show you. It will work. If tomorrow, because of discount, okay, because of discount, they may change it to 299. See here, let me refresh. See, it is now price is 299. Still, this is going to work. Is it working? Yes. That's the reason I'm not using text function equals 300. If I use text function equals 300, it will not work. And one more advantage. What's one more advantage? If one more book is added tomorrow, like manual or anything like this, okay, if one more book is added, manual is 199, like that. See, manual book is added tomorrow. Still, this is going to work. See, still now it is identifying the price of the SQL book only. It's working now. How it is working? I will repeat this one second. Everyone listen to this carefully. Is it working? Yes. Let me repeat this once again. Added advantage if price is getting changed. Slash, reason why they were called as, here SQL is independent element. It doesn't depends on anything. Whereas price this 300, it depends on SQL. Go to this price. Identifying the price of the SQL book only. It's working now. How it is working? I will repeat this one second. Everyone listen to this carefully. Is it working? Yes. Let me repeat this once again. Okay, this is called as independent dependent technique or independent dependent XPath. Okay, first what I have done, let me repeat once again. Let me go here. Okay, let me go here. First, I have written the XPath for this SQL. Okay, XPath for this SQL book, guys. Okay, that is what I have written. From SQL, you know how to move to parent. How to move to parent by using slash dot dot. Only one step you should go. Because this TR is the common parent for TD, this TD also, this TD also. There are two TDs. One TD containing SQL, one more TD containing price of the book. Okay, there are two TDs. One is price of what? SQL book, and one more is SQL subject. First we are not going to directly write. First you have to, okay, this TD also, this TD also. There are two TDs. Using slash dot dot. Only one step you should go. Because, okay, this is called as indicator price is changing. Right. First you have to identify the element. Which one is, okay, which one is dependent element, which one is independent element. Here price is changing. So this is the one who is going to dependent element. Means it depends on SQL. Because SQL subject will never change. Okay, SQL is going to change? No. The price is the one who is going to keep on changing. You have to write an XPath in such a way that tomorrow, if price is getting changed, also it should work. And one more element is added above, also it should work. Okay. Yes, I can write like this. See here, this one I can write now. /TD text function. So this one is easy. Text function equals 299. Shall I write like this? Yes, it's working now. But tomorrow if price changes, is it going to work? Tomorrow discount is gone. Today they have given the discount. Amazon and Flipkart has given the discount for SQL book. Tomorrow they may, again, season is gone. That big billion day is gone. Again they will change the book, price of the book. It will become 300. Is it going to work? No, it is not going to work. Are you guys getting the problem we are facing now? What is the problem we are facing now? Okay. Prices keeps on changing. So that's the reason I cannot use text function. Shall I use contains function? No. If it is partially changing, I can use contains function along with the text. But here it is changing completely. 299. If it is here, I cannot assume that I can just use contains function and you can use 29. Text contains 29. Yes, for 29, how much value it is going to work? 290, 291, like till 5, 9, 10 values it will work. But what happens if it becomes 300? It is not going to work. If text is changing partially or completely, here text is completely dynamic, completely changing, guys. So how to handle whenever the text is completely dynamic? By using dependent, independent XPath. By using what? Dependent, independent XPath. Okay, guys. What is that? What is that? First, you have to identify the element. Which one is dependent? Which one is independent? Here, SQL book is what? It is not going to change. So it is what? Independent element. Price 299 is dependent element. Depends on what? Depends on this SQL. And one more drawback of this is here, if I do like this 299, tomorrow there is one more book. Let me change the price of manual book also 299 only. See here, now if I click on enter, instead of identifying, okay, manual, okay, it is identifying price of, instead of identifying price of SQL book, it is identifying price of manual. See here, it is getting. So you have to write an XPath in such a way that even though if it is duplicate, even though if price of the book is changing, also it should work. If any book is added above SQL, also it should. One more solution was I told you in yesterday's. You can use like this: /TR of 1, okay, /TD of 2. This is what we have written. See here, what it is identifying. Instead of identifying the price of SQL, it is identifying the price of manual. So you have to write an XPath in such a way that, see, this is the XPath I have written, right? /td text function equals SQL, okay, and td of 2. If I write like this, /td text function equals SQL, then go to common parent /. See, both are getting highlighted. /td of 2. See, it is getting highlighted. We'll see whether if let me remove this manual book, is it going to still work? We'll check it out. Let me remove this 1 second. Let me remove this manual book and save it. Here, come back, refresh. Now manual book is removed. Check it out. The XPath is working. Yes, it is working now. Still it is working. Now let me change to 300 rupees. Let me save it. Price has been changed to 300. Check it. If any element is added above SQL, below SQL, or it is added or removed, still it is going to work. This is called as, means we are using combining two things, guys. We are using text function also, and then we are using int is going to work. This is called as, means we are using combining two things, guys. We are using text function also, and then we are using index also. Till now we know how to use index, we know how to use text function, but here we are combining or it is added or removed, still it is going to work. This is called as, means we are using combining two things, guys. We are using text function also, and then we are using index also.